Hello. Guys, okay? Did you have a good day?
Yes, kind of. All we did was learning this whole day. So nobody knows if we had a good day yet. After this, then you'll know when people have a good day.
Ella, what's wrong with your day?
What happened? Sleepy or not?
I was
Just-
just not happy.
Oh no.
But there are some happy, but I don't know. I
You're
just
also happy but not happy at the same time.
yeah. Right now I'm not happy.
What happened?
Nothing happened. I just feel not happy for some
You know, you
reason.
can tell us, right? There's no boys.
So cute.
No, but I don't have any story.
You're just having a not a good day.
Yeah. But I have a good day.
Say it again, Playpa.
I think I have a good day.
You're having a good day. It's good. I think Gessie said she was not having a good day too. Gessie, how are you feeling?
Bad. But
Do you feel sick or just the same way as Ella?
it's a bad thing. Yeah. Plyfa, please mute yourself. Okay.
Yes, Amy?
Are we going to do quiz?
Yeah. I just wanted to check on you guys first. Everyone seems a little bit out of it for the most part. Do you guys feel ready for this quiz?
Yeah.
Nope.
About archaeologists and prehistory. Should we go over some stuff first? Do you guys remember the other word for digging up carefully?
Excavate.
And
Good. What do we call the study of the remains of the past?
archaeology?
Yeah. What is it called when the time period before writing? What is that time period?
Prehistory?
Very good. Okay. If we find, let me think.
No. Is again a
If-
sword and a weapon or some rock.
Very good. If we found, I'm trying to think of an example I haven't used yet. If we found, okay, we'll go with the rock. If we found a rock with a very sharp edge, a rock with a sharp edge maybe, what could we infer the people used it for? Amy, what would you infer?
Hunting.
Like a rock that you can tell the edge has been sharpened?
Hunting.
Say it again.
Hunting.
Hide and seek?
Hunting.
Hunting. At the first, I thought you said, say it again. Yeah, maybe like an arrow, like a rock arrow for a bow and arrow. Yeah, so we can look at something and just the way it's created, and we can infer things. Maybe this was for this. Where are the Alps located? Does anybody remember?
Mrs. Jenna, I think you should make like something fun at that, and then I think it will share a lot of and it can see.
Thank you, Makiko. I'll see with them later, but we have to get on with this, I think.
It's between Italy and is it Netherlands or
Close.
Switzerland?
Yes. So you're on the right continent. What continent is that?
Europe.
Europe.
No.
Very good. All right. I feel like you girls are ready. We just look very sad today.
I don't know, but
We have class tomorrow.
We
yeah,
will have
Maybe
class,
on Monday.
but we'll have class, but we'll do like a review thing for social studies, and also we'll just keep working on our projects.
But I heard that some people going to have vaccine tomorrow.
There will be some people, but there will also be some people here. So that doesn't mean we cancel class. It just means that people miss.
I will go after class after all the e-learning finish.
Okay, that's good too.
I'm
So
going to the vaccine. I'm going to the vaccine.
yes, some of us are. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm going to show you guys what the quiz looks like. And maybe this will help you feel a little bit better about it. So there's 4 pages. On the first page, you'll see some multiple choice questions. I'm going to go ahead and read these to you. Number 1, it says, which one of these is not a problem archaeologists face when they study history? So there could be many problems when they're studying history. But which one of these would not really be a problem? Which one of these would be okay? Number 2, what made the discovery of the Iceman so important? Why was it so different from other discoveries of bodies and humans from that long ago? Why was he so important? Number 3, how did the archaeologists know what the mesh net was used for? So remember, one of our tools was the net, and we knew it was used to catch birds, right? How did they know it was used to catch birds? How did they figure that out? On page 2, we have some drag and drop activities. So we have a definition, and then we have to drag the word next to it. So which one of these is the time before writing was developed? Also, sorry, there's some typos on here. I made this kind of quickly, I think. Number 2, an object made by someone in the past. Which one of these is an object from the past? Number 3, to uncover something by digging carefully. Another word for digging carefully. And then number 4, the field of study of the remains of past cultures. When we study what's left behind of past cultures, what do we call that? Page 3, we have a map. There's a compass rose on this page. You can use the compass to remind you the directions. Number 1, what continent are the Alps located on? Number 2, what country is to the south of the Alps? Number 3, what country is on the western side? If you find more than one, that's great. You can write any of them. Number 4, about how old is the Iceman? About how old is the Iceman? And this is some of our inference activities, okay? So we have to look at this object, and we have to look at it, study it. What could this have been used for? Why was this created? What do I think people from the past use this for? Maybe you don't know what the object is, but just looking at the object, studying the object, what do you infer or think it could have been used for, okay? What are your thoughts about it? Don't just give me one word, don't just give me 2 words. You're getting graded on your explanation, on you telling me, I think it was used for this because it looks like blah, blah, blah. Or I think people may have used it for this or that. So don't forget to explain it to me. Don't just write trees, stones, because it's not really an answer. I want you guys to explain it to me. Whenever you're finished with your quiz, let me know, and I'm going to put you in the breakout room with your biography partner. So you guys can continue asking and answering questions, okay? So let me know when you're finished, and I'll put you in the breakout room with your partner. So girls, the quiz is in the Zoom chat. Go ahead and click on that whenever you're ready to start. We have about 30 minutes in this class. Does everybody see the quiz? Kelsey, thank you. Give me a thumbs up, icon or your face if you see the quiz. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you, Amy and Pray. Kelsey, Nadia. Thank you, Playfa. Ingfa, do you see the quiz? Awesome. Thank you, Gessie. Thank you, Ella. Thank you, Summer and Sally. Jihu, do you see the quiz? Thank you, Sakura. Sakura's dog. Jihu, you see the quiz, right?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Girls, if you have questions about anything, please let me know. Don't sit there wandering and not knowing. Ask Mrs. Jenna, move on to another question and come back to the one we're tripped up on. Girls, I'm gonna be in a breakout room really quick. When you finish your quiz,
Okay.
send me like help me so I can come in here and put you in your breakout room with your partner. Thank you for the okays. All right, Makiko, join me in this breakout room, okay? All right, Makiko, can you share your screen with me, please? Makiko, thank you. Okay, we're doing this quiz. Did you finish the social studies quiz already, Makiko? Okay, don't worry about it. All right, Makiko, let's look at number 1. In number 1, you need to find the conjunction and write it on the line. Can you do that for me? Look at that sentence. Since I am so tall, I signed up for basketball. What's the conjunction in that sentence? And then write it on the line where it says your answer. Can you do that for me? Just the conjunction, Makiko, just the conjunction. It should just be one word. Just one word, not 4 words. So Makiko, erase, I am so tall. Can you erase that? Makiko,
Yes.
can you erase that, please? No, erase all of it, Makiko. Erase everything. Now, look back at the sentence. Since I am so tall, I signed up for basketball. What word,
Oh, okay.
one word in that sentence is your conjunction? And write that.
Comma, but, or,
Just tell me in the sentence, since I am so tall, I signed up for basketball. What word is the conjunction? There's one word. Write it on the line. Do you want to try number 3 first? Look at number 3.
yeah,
The doctor checked the ankle, but the injury wasn't serious. Can you find the conjunction?
but,
All right, let's write on the line.
Yep.
For number 3. Just the word but. And then Makiko, no, that's it, but. And then is the sentence complex or compound?
compound,
All right, let's write that next to the word but. So you should have but compound. Okay, now go back up to number 1. Go to number 1, Makiko. Now let's try that sentence. Perhaps it is not and, but, or. It's a tricky conjunction. You write whatever you think it is on the line. So what word do you think it is? Okay. And then tell me, is it compound or complex? Okay. And number 2, same thing. Do you see the word or, Makika? I played well.
Yes.
I played well until I hurt my ankle. Okay, that's okay. Let's go to number 4. Let's go to number 4. If it feels better by Monday, I can practice again. What's the conjunction there?
Or.
All right, write whatever you think it is on the line, and then tell me if it's compound or complex. And do that for number 5 too. I'll be right back, okay? Girls, do you have any questions?
I'm done.
Yes, I have a question.
Yes, Ingva.
What should I do in the last page again?
So the last page, you see the 2 artifacts, right? There's one artifact and another one. You have to tell me, what do you think those artifacts were used for in the past? Artifact number 1, what did people a long time ago use it for? Artifact number 2, what do you think people used it for a long time ago? You have to tell me why you think that. What is it about the artifact that tells me it was used for this or that? I think this artifact was used for blank because it has or looks like blank. Does that help, Ingfa? Okay.
Miss Jenna,
Yes.
I'm done with everything else, but for this question is like number 1. What one of these are not a problem archaeologists and historians face when studying ancient history?
Confused about the question?
Yeah.
Okay, so look at A, B, C, and D. Which one of those options would not really be a problem for archaeologists and historians? Which one would not be a problem? 3 of those would be problems for archaeologists, but one of them is not really a problem. It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
So Kara, let me know when you're done and I'll bring you in the breakout room with Makiko.
Miss Jenna, I'm done.
Okay, Gussie. Gussie, who's your partner, dear?
Pray.
All right. Whenever Pray's done, I'll put her in the breakout room with you. But for now, Gussie, you can chill until she's done. You can look over your questions for her or your answers that you gave her. And just think about what you're going to write about Pray when you start writing, okay? You can start mapping that out. Because remember, we'll start writing in our journals tomorrow, our biographies. But you can start thinking about what you want to write. Girls, send me a text in the Google chat maybe when you're finished, and I can put you with your partner. I'm going to be in a breakout room. Or call me for help if you have questions. Please still ask me questions.
Miss Jenna, I'm done.
So, Kara, you're done? Okay, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Makiko.
I'm
Amy,
done too.
okay, Amy, your partner was Nadia, right? All right, I'm going to put you in room number 3, Amy. When Nadia's done, I'll put her in there with you. Same for you. You can start mapping it out. Let me know when you're done, girls.
Here.
All right, girls. So Sakura, have you already asked Mikiko everything you want to know?
Yeah,
Okay, and did Mikiko ask you the questions yet?
I think so. Mostly we're done.
Okay, so Sakura, if you feel like you're finished, like you've asked all the questions you want to ask, and Mikiko has as well, and you feel like you have something to write about tomorrow, turn in your bubble map on Seesaw, and then you're free to go, Sakura.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, dear. And Mikiko, can you share your screen again with me so we can work on these? Oh, okay, you're doing your social studies quiz. Good, Mikiko. All right, so, oh, no, that's okay. You can go back to that, Mikiko, that quiz. All right, you can turn that in, Mikiko. Go ahead and turn it in.
I did one more page just to let you see it.
That's good. I like that. That's really good. You can use this information tomorrow on your writing. Thank you for completing that, Mikiko and Sakura. All right, Mikiko, go back to activities. Or, okay, we'll do this quiz. That's fine. Oh, go back. Share your screen with me, please. Mikiko, you can go to the compound sentence quiz again. All right. Can you scroll down? Let me see what you've done. Okay. Number 4 and 5. You need to find the conjunction and tell me if it's compound or complex again.
Subject.
I don't see the word
Complex. Complex.
Okay, it's okay. What about number 5?
Complex.
Okay. Do you see a conjunction that you want to write down? Do you see one?
No.
Okay. Number 6, Mikiko. You have to rewrite the sentences and you see the parentheses, the word as, and it's in those 2 little brackets. Do you see that?
Yes, I think I know where to put it.
Okay, so you need to take the first sentence, the buzzer sounded, and the second sentence, the players jump for the ball, and use as somewhere. You can be typing. All right, Mikiko, you need to do that for 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm gonna put it in the chat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Combine the sentences and use the conjunction. All right, good. You have number 6. Do number 7, okay? Do 7, 8, 9, and 10. When I come back, I want to see that we've been working while I was gone. Do you understand, Mikiko? Don't stop working. Keep working.
Yes.
Sakura, once you turn that in, you're free to go, dear.
Mrs. Jenna, I'm done.
All righty. Playfa, you're with Kelsey, right?
Yeah.
Kelsey, you're done?
No, Mrs. Jenna, I'm confused on the last question.
All righty, let me help you. Playfa, I'm gonna go ahead and put you in room 4. When Kelsey's done, I'll put her with you.
Okay.
All right, Kelsey, the last question. That artifact, you're like, what is that, right? So you have to use inference skills right now. You just have to tell me, what do you think it was used for and why? What do you think people in the past used that artifact for? And why do you think that? Can you write that answer for me? Okay, use your inference skills. You're an archaeologist right now. Anybody else have questions? Ella, are you okay? Sally, are you finished? Okay, Sally, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room to work on your biography project. Remember the bubble map we were doing? And whenever Jihu is done, I'll put her in there with you, okay? So you can be thinking about questions you want to ask Jihu, or how do you want to start your writing? What do you want to include? What information? So just think about your biography for Jihu, okay?
Miss Jenna, I was just done now.
Then I'll put you guys in there together and you can work together and it's perfect. All right, you're both going to room number 5. All right, girls,
I am done.
Prey is done. All right, Prey, I'm gonna put you with Gessie, okay? So you guys can work on the project together.
Okay.
Kelsey, since you're almost finished,
I'm done.
there we go. All right, I'm putting you with Playfa. Nadia, keep doing your quiz, but I'm gonna go ahead and put you with Amy so that in case you're about to finish, you can go ahead and answer questions for her. But
Okay.
Ella, Ingfa, Summer, and Bibi, if you guys finish, you can just work together in here until I come back, okay? All right, Makiko, can you share your screen, please, so I can see what we've accomplished? All right, let's try number 8, 9, and 10, okay? Go to number 8, Makiko. on to number 9, Makiko. Number 9. Makiko, when this Zoom is over, can we have another Zoom together?
Okay.
Okay, I'll send you the link.
I think I can still type when I think I can submit it.
We have to do this one and 2 other ones, okay?
Oh,
So go ahead and do
okay.
number 9. And we're gonna do another Zoom together when this one ends.
Okay.
Is everyone okay? Any questions?